Okay, so starting off, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. I'm taking the shade right here. It's actually the orange shade in the palette, but for whatever reason with this lighting, it came off really yellow, which is actually kind of the look I was going for. I wanted a bright yellow look, but to be completely honest, in person and in regular lighting, it looks straight up orange. Like, it's definitely orange. It is not yellow. If you wanted a yellow instead, the new Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette does have a very nice punchy yellow, so you could use that, and if you needed to brighten it a little bit and make it pop a little more, you could definitely put like a white base underneath. But yeah, just a little disclaimer, this look, if you use the same exact products that I did as far as the eyeshadow goes, it's not going to look exactly like it does in this video. So I just put that all over my lid and in my crease and blended it out, and here I'm just applying a brow bone shade. And then I took the NYX Strobe of Genius palette and I went into that shimmery yellow shade, and I put that on my lid to kind of like make it pop more, but to be honest, like, I don't think it really did anything. So I think I actually later on went back over it with the Jaclyn Hill shade and just like covered it up. So you can do this if you want a little more shimmer, but to be honest, I didn't find that it did much at all. Then I'm just taking this shade right here, this like light shimmery shade, and I'm popping that in the inner corner. It's just going to brighten up our eyes, and yeah, I like highlighting the inner corner of my lids. Anyway, moving along. Using that same orange shade, just popping that underneath the lower lash line and smoking it out. I'm using a nice fluffy angled brush to get it nice and blown out. And then putting some white eyeliner on my lower waterline. I believe this one is by Wet n Wild, the one that I'm using here. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's by Wet n Wild. But any white eyeliner will do. If you wanted something a little more sultry, you could definitely go for a black or a brown, but I liked the way that the white looked, so that's what I went with. Then I'm using the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. This is in whatever their black shade is. And I just put that on my upper lash line, and I extended it into a wing. If I'm completely honest, I actually did not like this eyeliner whatsoever. I felt it was very hard to work with, and it wasn't overly pigmented, and I don't know, like, I think it's just too dry of a formula. Like, it wasn't creamy enough for me, and I'm pretty sure after I filmed this, I just threw it right in the trash. Like, I just got rid of it. I mean, if you have an eyeliner like that, and, you know, don't worry, you can always fix it. Later on you'll see, I went over it with a black eyeshadow just to fix any, like, weird spots. Yeah, see here, any black eyeshadow will do. You don't have to use the exact same one that I did. But yeah, I just went over it just to fix any weird spots or any mess ups and to help it look a little more black. Because like I said, it wasn't overly pigmented. It just wasn't doing it for me. Then I'm using the Mia Adora Nori Lash, and I just put a few coats on my lashes. I already had some mascara on from earlier in the day, also my foundation and brows, if you guys couldn't tell. But yeah, so I just applied a little bit just to bring some life back to those lashes. And I also put some on my lower lash line. And then I'm using my Ticket to Brazil bronzer by Wet n Wild. As you can see, it's very big. And I'm just putting this on the outer perimeters of my face to just add a nice warm look to my face. And I don't know what it is about this lighting. I think it's because it's a blue toned light that I use. It makes everything look kind of yellowish. So this bronzer looks kind of yellowish, the eyeshadow looks kind of yellowish, but I promise you, in real life and in person, the bronzer looks so natural and so pretty. It's one of my favorites. So this lip combo, I left it in here, but I didn't actually end up going with it. That was a Hikari lip crayon in Fruit Punch. This is a Revlon lip plumping lip gloss. I think it's in cashmere. And then I also topped off with ColourPop's Fairy Floss lip gloss. You'll see in like 2 seconds. Here we go, yeah. And then I just felt like it was too thick and goopy, so I took it all off and I started again. And here we're just being a little weird, I guess. So yeah, I took it all off. I put on this mellow lipstick in Posh. Nice matte lipstick. Any matte, or I'm sorry, any nude lipstick. It doesn't have to be matte. Any nude lipstick will do. And I just topped it off with MAC's Pretty Please, I believe that is, just to lighten it up a little bit and add a little bit of a sheen. So here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really liked this look. It was bright, it was fun, it was super simple, but perfect for summer, and I don't know, it's like such a happy, cheery look to me. Like, yellow is just so fun and happy, and I really liked this look. So if you guys enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button down below so you guys never miss a video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!